Welcome to the LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about nail art brushes that are used in creating nail designs. I'll tell you what they are, how to use them, and maintain them. Don't forget to check out my nail art playlist. It is a collection of all my nail art and nail care related videos. It is a must-watch for everyone. I have already posted over 80 videos related to nail art and nail care. This is the nail art brush set that I'll be using as an example. I just got them a while back from the Amazon store. Do save this playlist of mine. I'll be showing all the different nail art designs I have created using this nail art kit. What are nail art brushes? Nail art brushes are actually detail brushes that are used to create different designs, patterns, or shapes on the nail. Usually it comprises a set of brushes like this. As you can see, not all are the same. The main body can be of wood or even plastic, and at one end will be the bristles, which is the brush part. The ingredients. Nothing is usually mentioned on such products, but I think that this is made of plastic and some sort of synthetic fiber. Are they safe to use? This nail art brush is safe to use as long as it is used properly and also maintained properly. We do this to prevent bacteria from growing. If you're interested in nail designs, then save this playlist in your library and be notified when I add my next video. Names of the brushes and what designs can be created. Fan shape brush. Can draw multiple lines simultaneously, can pick up more than one color to achieve a gradient look. Liner or striper brush. It's used for drawing fine lines, flowers, and other details. Detail brush. Offers control and precision work. Flat brushes, mainly used in UV gel nail art. Oblique brushes for 3D flowers. How to use the nail art brushes? Well, it depends on the design that I'm creating. I'll be covering them in detail in my future videos. And for now, I will just mention some basics. The amount of nail polish on the tool plays a role. If you take only a small bit, you'll end up with a tiny dot. Take too much polish and you'll end up with a blob. Applying pressure is also a big factor here. When you press the tool very lightly, only a bit of the product gets transferred. But apply too much pressure, then you'll end up with an uneven circle. So definitely do a few test starts to see what you like and get the feel of the brush that you're using. Now these are just some basics that I mentioned using a dotting tool. The same applies to nail art brushes. With different styles, you might have to involve different methods. I will cover them in detail in my nail art tutorials. Can I use these daily? Yes, it is a tool. You can use it how many times you want. Just remember to follow the maintenance. Lifespan of the product. This depends on the quality of the product. I prefer to buy the plastic kind as they seem to last better if maintained well. These are my top 5 videos of this year, 2021. Did you check them out yet? Links to all the 5 videos are mentioned in the description box. Do they come in different sizes? Yes, they do come in different sizes. This one is the normal variety, and I have seen a smaller type where the length of the handles are smaller and they are meant for travel purpose. Storage and maintenance. The tips I'm sharing here are for the plastic tools and not for the wood kind. Even though I do not share my nail art tools, it is still important to sterilize them to eliminate the growth of bacteria. And in turn, this prevents skin infections. I sterilize my nail art tools by cleaning the bristles with acetone-based nail polish remover, and I wipe down the handle part with just plain water and a cloth. Next, I dry them completely and place them inside my cupboard. It is always best to store the product in the packaging they come in. This will prevent it from breaking. This kit came in a plastic sleeve. Personally, I would prefer something a bit more sturdy. Remember to always keep and store the tools without any moisture involved. I keep mine on a shelf inside a cupboard. Also, if you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon to receive all notifications. Bye!